If you or someone you care about is thinking about sending out coupons, here are 4 things you need to know. First, make sure you use a tracking phone number on the coupon. Unlike digital advertising, coupons cannot be easily tracked. But with the advent of vanity phone numbers or tracking phone numbers, go check out a company called CallRail. You can now see whether or not the offline advertisements are getting the phone calls that you're so desiring for your company. The second key thing you're going to want to think about is the offer you're having on the coupon itself. Too often, someone can waste time sending out coupons or mailers as an extension of this. I recommend you consider doing what's called a tripwire offer. It's a low price, low ticket offer. You might just break even with it, but the goal is to get someone in the door or to get them to open their wallet the first time for you to earn their trust. Third, for the love of all the little graphic designers' hearts, don't pack the coupon. Please do not try to take every square inch of space. You have to think of the coupon as a haiku, right? There's not a lot of space on this. Don't pack it. If it's too cluttered, people will skip it. Fourth and finally, make use of space by having a catchy graphic. For many people sending out coupons or mailers, it would behoove them to spend more of their space on a catchy image and use less words than a packet full of words that no one wants to read. The first goal of any advertisement, online or off, is to grab someone's attention. Using good creative imagery is a way to do that. One quick tip related to this is to rotate your coupon from horizontal to vertical. It's a great way to catch someone's attention because it stands out because it's different. With these 4 things in mind, you'll avoid the pitfalls that many people can fall into when they're spending their hard-earned money on coupons or mailers. In the meantime, stop wasting money on broken marketing.